Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of permissions on the application of Telegram. We will go to settings. Here on this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Telegram and you will click here. Then in this page we go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.